Hello, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet cross earrings, and I made it with a size 10 thread yarn and E-hook. If you want to make them smaller, you can go down on a hook size. It measures about 3 inches for the length. I also have another cross video. I will link that down below as well if you'd like to take a look. Okay, so let's get started. In the magic circle, I'm going to work a slip stitch into it and then work a chain 3. I just did a chain 2, but I meant to do a chain 3 to start. I think a chain 3 works the best. If this is your first time doing the magic circle or beginner stitches, the links are down below in the description or comments, as well as placing your video in slow motion if you need to. So I did a chain 2, but I should have done a chain 3 right here, because this will count as a double crochet. Then yarn over and work 2 double crochet. Beginner stitches are linked down below as well. So yarn over, insert your hook, and then grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops for a double crochet, and then work another double crochet. Now chain 2 and then work 3 double crochet, and you'll do that for 3 more times. Now chain 2 and repeat with 3 double crochet 2 more times. Chain 2 again, and then work 3 double crochet. And chain 2 again, and then slip stitch on top of the chain 3, close your circle, slip stitch into the chain space, chain 3, and then you're going to work 2 double crochet. That chain 3 does count as a double crochet. Chain 2, and then you'll work 2 double crochet and then a chain 3. and then chain 3, and then slip stitch into the chain space. And then slip stitch into the chain 2 space, and then repeat exactly the same way that was done the first time. Slip stitch into the chain space, and then chain 3, and then work your 2 double crochet. And then chain 2, and then work 2 double crochet in a chain 3. And then slip stitch into the same space, and then just repeat into the next space with slip stitches. And just repeat into the next 2 spaces. In the last one, instead of chaining 3, you're going to work a double crochet because you're going to work down that side to create the leg part of the cross. Now you're going to turn and slip stitch into the chain space. Then you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to work 2 double crochet, and then chain 2, and then work 3 double crochet in the same space. And then you're just going to turn and you're going to repeat. Now you can fasten off and weave in your ends, and then you will connect the earring topper on top if you like to create earrings with this. Also, another hack is you can add stiffener or you can add clear nail polish to make it stiff. And then on the top, you can just pry open your earring piece and then loop it through the 2 loops and then connect it with some pliers and you're all set. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're looking for another cross to make, I will place the cross here at the end so you can click on that video. And thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe.